Here's just a simple introduction to similar shapes. Now, if two shapes are similar, it means that they are sort of scale models of each other, and they will be in proportion. All of the sides, corresponding sides, will be in proportion, and all of the corresponding angles will be congruent. To do a quick problem here with using some of the proportionality of similar shapes, I have two similar shapes here. ACEF is similar to BCDG. And from this information here, I can actually determine the length of all the sides. So first, we got to determine what are corresponding sides to each other. So I'm going to actually kind of create a stream of equations here. So if we look at the first side here, AC, it corresponds to BC here. So if I were to put AC on top and BC on bottom, that would equal, if I went to the next two and did the same thing, CE on top and CD on bottom. Well, I actually know from the figure what some of these are. So BC is equal to 8. AC is not given to us. CE is not given to us. CD is not given to us. So this one I don't even know at all. So let me find in this figure something where I know both pieces. And it looks like right here, from beginning to end is BG, there's BG, and from beginning to end here is AF, and there's AF. I know those two terms, so I'll go ahead and do that. Remember, I put AC, this is from the first one, on top, so I need to put AF also on top. So 10, and then BG is 6. And here I have a proportion with only one thing that I don't know, and that's AC. And to solve a proportion, you can do a number of different things, but as a general rule of thumb, you can just multiply one side here, or you can use cross multiplication. I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. That'll cancel, and I'm left with AC is equal to, now I'm going to have to reduce this here. So that reduces to 4 over 3. That doesn't reduce anymore. 10 times 4 is 40 over 3. Or if you want to write it as a mixed number, that would be 13 1/3. But remember, once you're in geometry, those numbers count. Improper fractions are okay. So AC is 40 over 3, or 13 1/3. But that's the distance from here to there. So that's the whole thing. 40 over 3. And man, that pen is running out. 40 over 3. Now, using this same information, you can actually extrapolate all the other terms. For the sake of this video, for the brevity of it, I'm not going to actually find them all, but that's the process by which you do it. And if you are sort of uncertain of what to call something, say if you're looking for CE, but you only have part of it, if you were to call this X, then X plus 5 is the whole thing. And then the length of CD is just X. And you can use that as well in your formulas.